Ah, horsepower. A measure of power so common today, yet its origins lie in the humble draft horse. But what does it really mean, and how did it come to define the engines of our modern world? In the late 18th century, Scottish engineer James Watt sought to revolutionize industry. To sell his steam engines, he compared their power to something everyone understood: horses. After careful observation, Watt calculated that a draft horse could do 33,000 foot-pounds of work per minute, and thus the unit of horsepower was born. 1 horsepower equals 746 watts. It's the amount of power needed to lift 550 pounds 1 foot in 1 second. Surprisingly, a single horse can actually produce about 14.9 horsepower in short bursts, but over time it sustains about 1 horsepower. Today, horsepower isn't just for comparison. It's a mark of innovation and engineering excellence. Take the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut, a production car with a staggering 1,600 horsepower. It's designed to exceed speeds of 300 miles per hour. And in motorbikes, the Kawasaki Ninja H2R leads the pack with 310 horsepower, a feat of raw power on 2 wheels. Planes take horsepower to the skies. The F-35 Lightning II generates over 40,000 horsepower, while the engines of a Boeing 747, 8 each, produce 66,500 horsepower, powering the massive bird through the clouds. Curiously, horsepower doesn't mean 1 horse's power. It's a comparison tool. But did you know that in short bursts a horse can generate almost 15 horsepower? Yes, horses have their moments of glory. Then there's the Ferrari Dino 246, marketed as having 246 horsepower. In truth, it barely crossed 200, but clever branding made it a classic. And horsepower isn't just for speed. The Big Bud 16V747, the world's largest tractor, boasts over 1,000 horsepower, proving it's not all about racing, it's about hard work too. Even electric cars are joining the horsepower race. The Tesla Model S Plaid delivers 1,020 horsepower, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. Motorbikes aren't far behind. The Lightning LS 218, an electric superbike, offers 200 horsepower, with a top speed of over 218 miles per hour. From the fields of yesteryear to the racetracks and skies of today, horsepower connects our mechanical achievements to nature's strength. It's a measure of progress, a symbol of power, and a reminder of how far we've come. So, next time you hit the gas, remember, you're riding on the legacy of James Watt's brilliant idea. Which horsepower marvel amazes you the most? Share your thoughts, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of engineering.